Welcome to Tech Vibes, let's get started. Saving money in retirement is not just about cutting back. It is about being strategic with every single dollar. Today, we are diving deep into 5 frugal habits that can actually cut your retirement expenses in half. These are the nuanced shifts that every retiree needs to master to ensure their golden years are truly golden. We start with the silent drain on your bank account, which is subscriptions. For Gen X and Boomers between the ages of 46 and 80 years old, the average monthly spend on subscriptions is between $90 and $100. That is over $1,000 a year. Many of these are service fees you do not even realize you signed up for. Perhaps it was a free trial for a streaming service or a magazine that you forgot to cancel. Over time, these small charges act like a leak in a boat. You must log into your checking account every single month. Look at every single line item. If you see a recurring charge for a service that does not serve you anymore, cancel it immediately. Even small $5 charges add up over a decade. Next, we have the art of price comparisons. This is vital for big-ticket items, but it is equally powerful for your weekly grocery run. Never settle for the first price you see. If you are shopping at a store you prefer but their competitor has a better deal in a flyer, show that ad to the manager. Many stores will offer a price match on the spot. This keeps you from driving all over town while still getting the lowest possible price. But what if the item is out of stock? This is where the pro tip of rain checks comes in. Imagine you want Old Dutch laundry detergent and it is on sale for 50% off at $4.57. If the shelf is empty, do not just walk away. Go to the customer service desk. They will check their stock, and if they are truly out, they can issue you a rain check. This slip of paper often allows you to buy that item at the sale price for up to 3 months. This ensures you never miss a deal due to poor store inventory. Number 3 is managing discretionary expenses and impulse buys. We have all been there. You go in for milk and come out with a new dress or a fresh shade of lipstick. These little extras are budget killers. To combat this, you must create a strict list before you leave the house. A list is a contract with oneself. If it is not on the paper, it does not go in the cart. Furthermore, never go shopping when you are hungry. When your stomach is empty, your eyes become bigger than your budget. You will find yourself grabbing snacks and luxury items that you do not need simply because they look good in the moment. Eat a full meal before you head to the store. This keeps your brain in control of your wallet rather than your appetite. The 4th habit is avoiding the trap of keeping up with the Joneses. This is a social pressure that is very common among Gen X and Boomers. We often measure our status by what our neighbors have, whether it is the latest car in the driveway, a new deck, the newest iPhone, or a high-end ride on lawnmower. But here's the truth, most people are too wrapped up in their own lives to care what you are doing. They care about your heart and how you treat them, not your gadgets. Making huge purchases to maintain an image can lead straight to financial ruin or even bankruptcy. Focus on what makes you happy and serves your needs. Do not overextend your loans for the sake of an appearance that no one is truly watching. Finally, the biggest expense you can cut will blow your mind. It is eating out. Gen X is currently the engine driving the restaurant industry. The average person in this demographic spends $300 per month on eating out. For a couple, that is $600 every single month or $7,200 per year. That is a massive amount of money that could be staying in your retirement fund. To break this habit, bring the heart of the home back to your own kitchen. Start hosting family dinners or inviting neighbors over for a meal. You can watch a cooking show and try to replicate the recipes together. Instead of a $100 dinner at a restaurant, make some small appetizers and enjoy a long conversation at your own table. The connection is better and the cost is a fraction of a restaurant bill. By choosing to eat in and buying your own groceries, you are effectively giving yourself a massive raise every year. These 5 habits are simple, but when applied consistently, they change your entire financial trajectory. Stay smart with your spending and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with a secure retirement.